Welcome to a series of video shorts of some of the most amazing places in and around the Lake District. For updates, please subscribe. Known locally as Ninekirks, St Ninians stands in a field above the bend in the River Eamont, approximately 1 mile walk down a track from the car park on the A66. The route tracks through farm fields high above the river before descending to the church. There are some great views along the way of the surrounding countryside. There is a tradition that Ninian lived for a while as a hermit in the nearby caves. People like him did that in those days. Indeed, there is a giant's cave marked on the Ordnance Survey map on the northern bank of the River Eamont. St Ninians is built of local red sandstone and was founded in the Norman period. It was completely rebuilt in the 17th century. Outside the church is evidence of a deserted medieval village that once stood there. Fields, boundaries, pits and enclosures surround the church. Around 1914, a hoard of coins dated to the 3rd century was found in the churchyard. Another unexpected find occurred in 1846 when repairs turned up a gilt cup dated to the 8th century. Finally, we all want to know why it's called Ninekirks, don't we? The obvious possibility is that the name is derived from Ninian's Kirk, or church. However, a more attractive explanation is that witches dancing around the church made it fall down, and having done this 8 times, they got bored. Ninekirks is in the care of the Church's Conservation Trust, and though it is redundant, services are still occasionally held there. In the corner of the churchyard is a ruined building, 18th century I reckon. This turns out to be the remains of the stable of the Parsons Horse and Trap. A final look over the bell tower to the River Eamont concludes our visit to the tranquil settings of St Ninians.